Welcome back to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to financial success. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible power of compound interest and how it can help you grow your wealth. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. We help teach people about money, personal finance, and investments. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if this video is helpful. Compound interest is like a magic trick for your money. It's the concept of earning interest, not only on your initial investment, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. The sooner you start leveraging compound interest, the more your wealth can grow. Let's break it down. Imagine you invest $1,000 in a savings account with an annual interest rate of 5%. At the end of the first year, you'll earn $50 in interest, bringing your total to $1,050. But here's where it gets exciting in the second year. You'll earn interest not only on the initial $1,000, but also on the additional $50 you earned in interest. As time goes on, the power of compound interest becomes truly remarkable. By consistently reinvesting the interest earned, your wealth can snowball, allowing you to reach your financial goals faster than you ever thought possible. So, how can you harness the power of compound interest to grow your wealth? Here are a few key steps to get started. First, start early. The earlier you begin investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Even small contributions can make a significant difference over time. Second, be consistent. Regularly contribute to your investments, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or annually. The more you can invest, the faster your wealth will accumulate. Third, choose investments wisely. Look for opportunities that offer compounding growth, such as stocks, mutual funds, or index funds. Do your research or consult with a financial advisor to make informed decisions. Lastly, be patient. Compound interest works best over the long term. Stay focused on your financial goals and resist the temptation to withdraw your investments prematurely. Remember, the power of compound interest lies in consistency, time, and smart investment choices. Start today and watch your wealth grow exponentially. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore another fascinating topic in the world of personal finance. Until then, keep growing your wealth with the power of compound interest.